Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Have a Hoot bundle, and this is a sweet little Halloween card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Have a Hoot bundle, and we're going to be using Have a Hoot on Halloween, and this little jack-o'-lantern with the owl behind it. So we're going to start with our stamping. I'm going to come in with my TUXEDO black Memento ink pad. And then I have this mounted on clear block B. So just like that. Next, I'm going to come in with my rich razzleberry. And I have a piece of Very Vanilla. And then this is also mounted on clear block B. So just like that. That aside, and I'm using 3 Stampin' Blends, and I'm going to use Pumpkin Pie Dark and Light Shaded Spruce and Dark Crumb Cake. So I'm just going to do this kind of fast. These markers are pretty forgiving, so doesn't have to be perfect. All right, I'm going to come in with the little stem here. And then the owl. All right, so just like that, going to bring in my Stampin' Cut and Emboss. And I don't have the magnetic plate yet, but I have ordered it, so it should be on its way. And we're using the Coordinating Dies Pika Hoot. So I'm just going to place that where it needs to be. All right, and then I'm going to come in with a piece of the rich razzleberry. And I'm using this bigger die here, and I only wanted to cut that, so what I did, I might need to trim this down. Okay, so what I did was I just hit it to this notch right here. I can show you just like that. And you can feel it too. this little guy move. Do y'all have the new machine yet? Do y'all love it? I absolutely love it. All right, get this out of the way. That's all we're using that for. So see, made just that one tag. Okay, so for this piece, I have the Label Me Fancy punch. And I'm just going to center it here and give it a punch. Just like that. And we can start putting this card together. I have a piece of the plaid tidings, and that's cut at 3 3/4 by 5. Let's see. I'm going to get my Stampin' Seal. And so this is technically Christmas paper, but it can be used for different holidays. All right, and then I have a piece of rich razzleberry, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So just like that. And our card base is pumpkin pie, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So give that a good rub down. And then I have the Forever Greenery, and I'm just going to put that through. And with the Forever Greenery, you get some gold twine as well. I'm just going to make a cute little knot here. All right, and then we will trim the ends off here. All right, so I'm gonna put this little guy on here, and I think I'm going to pop him up. So I like cards with a lot of dimension here. And I'm going to also pop this up. How about that? And then, of course, we will pop up the sentiment as well. So, just like that, a quick and simple Halloween card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!